What did you do?
The tractor did it, not me.
Looking good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am working with very pretty fall color palette. As you can see behind me, that's the colors that I am working with today. I prepped them yesterday and I am assembling everything today. Balloons still look wonderful, nothing deflated. These balloons are from Qualitix, from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. You can also use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid only for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. It's going to be one interesting setup because I double stuffed some of the balloons and I left some of the balloons single stuffed. So very excited. Everything will be linked and listed in a description under this video. And without any further ado, let's go. These are the colors that I am planning to use for today's video. I'm still deciding if I want to use this purple balloon. It looks a little bit bluish on camera right now, but in real life, it's one beautiful purple color. These balloons are from Qualitix. I have blush, rose gold, magenta, and orange colors. I double stuffed two colors right here, two balloons. I double stuffed my orange with orange because I wanted orange to be orange, really like good orange, and my rose gold with magenta color balloons. I love this custom color so much. I did pre-stuff my balloons right here. They're looking good. Very excited to use them. And I quickly going to show you how I double stuff my balloons. To double stuff my balloons, I'm using a piece of foam that I bought from Walmart a while ago and some wooden sticks. I found these sticks in the baking aisle and these are used for cake pops and I'm using them for my balloons. I am taking my sticks and poking holes in my foam. I'm taking my balloon, putting right on my stick, taking my second balloon and putting it right on top, and voila, you have a double stuffed balloon. And by the way, this method works for any size balloons. And now let me show you how I inflate my double stuffed balloons. Very easy. This is a trick that I learned while working with double stuffed balloons. So take your double stuffed balloon on a nozzle with your fingers, pinch both of the balloons at the very top, and while inflating your balloon, you need to pull your balloons upwards. This way you will help your balloons to stretch easier. Rose gold double stuffed balloons are 11 and 5-inch balloons. My orange, I have them in 16, 11, and 5. Then my peach balloons, 16, 11, and 5. And magenta color, 11 and 5-inch balloons. I think I got every color. We'll see. So let's go inflate these. Also, while inflating your balloons, try to play with sizing. So 11-inch balloons, just blow them into different sizes. Instead of electric balloon pump, I am using hand pump. For some reason, it's a lot easier to inflate double stuffed balloons with a hand pump, especially when you're having trouble to inflate them with your electric balloon pump. Inflating all the colors and mixing all the colors together, I want to stuff one color at a time and cluster my pairs of balloons. That would be so much easier than just going and looking for the right color through all the balloons. So I'm taking two different sizes of a pair of balloons and I am starting to intertwine them together to create a cluster like this. Then I will be taking another pair and adding my pair to this just made cluster with double stuffed balloons, especially rose gold. It's a little bit harder because they are super tight and there's not a lot of wiggle room to, stretch them. Once in a while, I will be adding a fourth pair of balloons to my cluster just to make a cluster a little bit bigger. everything into big bags. Personally, I like to bag my colors separately. That way I don't have to go through the bag of all the balloons and look for the certain color. I just, you know, every color in different bag, and it's a lot easier. I am using these big, huge bags. I will link them in the description under the video. I love them because they fit a lot of balloons and they're just great for transporting. The only negative thing that I would say about these bags, they are kind of thin. So right here, this is a brand new bag. I used it probably once and I already have this big hole in it. So I wish they were a little bit thicker. Other than that, I really love these bags. You guys, once again, because I am going outside, I wanted to wear something loose and comfortable. When I'm working for a client, I try to wear something loose and long, so when I raise my hands, no one's seeing my stomach or my back. Just trying to be professional here, right? I will be trying to build my balloon garland without 260s by using balloon tails from clusters that I've built. I've seen a balloon artist building the whole structure with just tails from balloons, and it was beautiful. So I want to try it out, see how that's going to work for me. If not, I will be using 260s and rubber bands like usual, so we'll give it a go. So let's go outside. Let's start this whole thing. And here I am trying to use this method by tying my clusters with balloon tails. It didn't work. So after this, I switched to my 260s and rubber bands.
Really? So this person was mowing. What did you do?
The tractor did it, not me.
Hey, hon. Looking good. Oh, let's go clean some more.
Can I help you?
My bag. And here's what I have for you guys today. Look at this beautiful thing. I struggled with this setup. Even though it looks beautiful, I struggled with the whole thing. You guys, I switched techniques. Instead of tying my clusters by the necks of balloons, I switched to my 260s and rubber bands. These two sections were built with 260s and rubber bands, and I like them a lot better. I struggled with the colors. I had a hard time figuring out what cluster goes next and what color goes where, but I got through it and it looks beautiful. Now, I did insert my flowers last second and I love it. I think this blue color, I don't know, brings something unique and very beautiful to this garland. I am not regretting inserting them. They're beautiful. And here's a trick how I insert my flowers. When balloons are outside they are very fragile, and if you push your flower and grab to latex, it can't pop. So I am looking for these openings in my balloons, and I am simply pushing my flowers in. That way my flowers are not grabbing on latex and balloons are not popping. So a little trick for you to try next time. I didn't count how many balloons I used, but I will link and list everything in the description under the video. This frame will be in the description under this video as well. I will link and list everything in the description under this video, and I will have some pictures at the end of this video. This is the next day, and I have a chance to show you how this garland looks today. You guys, look at this. How beautiful. Nothing deflated, nothing popped. It's still the same as I built it yesterday. It looks beautiful. That's why I love to use Qualitix for my outdoor balloon garlands, because Qualitix perform amazing outdoors. I'm not saying that you have to set everything up the night before, because all depends on the weather. We are having cooler evenings right now because it's already September, and that's why it's looking good. When it's hot and very humid, and you will see deflation, you will see that your balloons became softer and it will not look good. If you are planning to make your garland for outdoors, prep your garland indoors and then take it outside and decorate before the party. And it wasn't that windy, you guys. I'm surprised that everything's still intact. I really did build this wood to 60s. I would be again surprised if it would fall apart, because I've really tightened everything together. See an update on this setup, you guys, follow my Instagram page, diy.with.anastasia. This is my balloon garland page. I post every single balloon garland there, and in my stories I will update you how this beauty will look.
This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.